They're not gonna like that long name.
Well, if I can help, let me know.
Yeah, I sure will. All right, so we got an unboxing today of a Lador arms. What is it? Fresh out the plastic. What's going on with it? It's an AR-12. Y'all getting first looks right with me. I'll do this one-handed. Let's see. Set this down for a second. So this is what we're looking at. Fresh out the box. A little short mag too. That's cool. So we're gonna dig a little deeper into this. Just a second. See what else is in the box. So, good old cable lock, shipping label. This when my FFL pointed out to me. Something sticky. That all these Turkish companies, but they just Americanized the name just to make it easy, Lador Arms. But you see the actual company. Its name is it's pretty long. But we got there's some bigger mags, a wrench, and like some extra chokes. So yeah, we're gonna dig a little deeper into the AR-12 and run it through. All right, so as you can see, fresh out the box with it. This is a Lador Arm AR-12. Came with a 2-round magazine already in it. So yeah, I already just got 2 shells in there. Can't get any more. It's tapped out at 2. But it also came with 2 5-round mags. I got 5 in this one, didn't load the other one up, but 5 in there. Can't fit any more. But yeah, good AR-12 style shotgun here. Still got the stop in it from the factory. Yeah, this is my first look at it. It comes with the pop-ups. The direction of them is a little different than my normal setup with pop-ups. I'll try it out the way it came out the box. I don't know if it's a Turkish thing or just maybe I've been doing it wrong my whole gun career. But yeah, it's got the safety switch, fire there. Got a good grip to it. Comes with an angled foregrip as well. Got a good hold to it. Just has the one charging handle. Okay, yeah. Lock it open. See it's safe and clear. Put some oil through there. just to make sure we don't have any issues. First shots with it. But it's pretty light. Got a good feel to it. I want to say it's 18.5-inch barrel. Can't remember exactly, but looks pretty solid to me. With the mags, I do like the textured front end. You know what, let's do the empty one. Fresh out the plastic, empty mag. Got a nice little texture grip right there, so for all my mag holders, got you right there. Still got the angle grip, however you want to do it. But it's a good texture there. Mag release is on here. It's not really ambidextrous. Takedown. It's a nice, easy takedown. I haven't read any instructions, so forgive me. But it looks like a takedown switch. Just right there. But I'm gonna do a little more reading. See, make sure that I am right, that that's a takedown switch, which would be great for cleaning. But yeah, nice little smooth deal. Then this thing came in like from Palmetto State Armory. Came in at like $250, so not bad either. Especially when it comes with the pop-up sights, the angle grip, some nice looking magazines. It's 2-rounder. If you want to travel light, but you know me, you gotta break out the old defense port, and let's see if it feeds into this thing. It feeds. Well, it feeds into the mag. We'll say that. So my drum already fits it. Let's see. As far as chambering, I think we're gonna have an issue there. We will see. Get this thing to the range. Still clear. Get this thing to the range, and we'll see. Also, the Panzer mag probably will fit it. Yep, that Panzer mag goes right in there too. So most of these Turkish shotguns probably gonna have like all the same kind of manufacturing specs. Yeah, so they just chamber no problem off of the Panzer mag. Clear that out. Back clear. So we had no problem chambering off a Panzer mag. Yeah, it looks really similar. I went up there. They're probably interchangeable. I can probably use these mags on my Panzer, but there may be a second video. We'll just do an unboxing on this one, and then some comparisons and some test ones on the next one. How about that? But yeah, first looks at the Lador Arms AR-12. Just switching it up a little bit. What do you guys think? Yeah, let me know. But I appreciate everybody for watching, liking, sharing, subscribing. Just keep doing it. Gonna keep coming back.